So we're here in the car, and I wanted to give you an idea of what the Garmin Tandem looks like. So we're going to go for a short drive, and I'm going to show you what the camera sees. And you can see myself, and you can see my wife who's recording this. And we're going to cut to the camera now, and you'll be able to see what the camera sees. Now we've got a Hyundai Tucson, which is a PHEV. It's partially electric for the first 30 some odd miles, and then it kicks into gas afterwards. But we just kind of want to give you an idea. That's the reason why it's so quiet in here. And we're just going to take a quick drive around the block to show you how this works. And then we're just going to go home. There's a lady walking her dog. Okay, and I'm just going to pull the car over. And now we're going to switch over to the regular camera. So that's how the Garmin Tandem camera works. We've been pretty satisfied with it. You can turn the audio in the cabin on or off. Normally we have the audio off. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, bye-bye.